Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Bienvenue tout le monde, bienvenue sur this channel. So today I have a new video for you guys. It is very easy, quick to do, and you guys, your children will love this. You will enjoy it. I made this twice already because my sister loved it so much. She was asking me to make it for a second time. So yes, today we are making coconut flakes. We're gonna make it a little different, a little twist to it. We're gonna kind of make it like the Haitian way. Jodi nous pral faire une petite tablette, but pas vraiment tablette. You relate coconut flakes. M'pa konn ki jan you relate en Creole. So to start off, you need a whole coconut. I already break the, this, I don't know if they call it the skin, but the shell of the coconut. It's hard. I already break it and get the water out of it, and then wash my coconut, take them out of the shell, wash my coconut, and I am going to grind my coconut. As you guys see that I'm using a grinder. I'm using the big part of it so it can be a little bit chunky. So yes, to start off, what we're gonna do is I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm gonna add cinnamon. It could be a teaspoon of cinnamon. It all depends on your taste. And I am also going to add 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, and we are going to toast our coconut. You guys, I put a little bit of coconut oil, not too much, because it's gonna dry up by itself. The more you stir it around, and you're going to see that it's going to change color. It's gonna be brown, and it's gonna get to a point where it's going to be dry, and you guys can really enjoy it as a snack. Like I say, it is so tasty, so easy, so fun, and quick, easy to do. So jodi ti tablet sa ke nou pral fè, nou pa mette de l'eau, nou pa fè kou tablet haïtien kon fè 100%, n'a met ton petit pout cannelle, n'a met ton petit gingembre là-dedans. Après ça, n'a brassé, n'a mette un petit cuillère l'huile cocoyer, et puis tout n'a brassé li, et puis tout jusqu'à ce que ou elle vin sec. Les vin sec, ou quitter li pour le capable frais, et puis tout après elle vin pi sec, ou ka mette 2 petits cuillères sucre là-dedans pour le capable goût, capable ajouter plus sucre, capable c'est sucre rouge que m'te mette là-dedans. Capable manger li façon que ou même ou ta remen. So thank you guys for watching this little video. I really truly deeply appreciate you guys. See you guys on another video. I hope you guys try and enjoy this little recipe and this little twist that I put in my coconut flakes. So bye bye, see you guys, enjoy.